Think about the last time a message truly stuck with you. Was it just words on a page? Or was it a powerful image, a piece of music, and a clear idea all working together? That combination is the secret to a modern, multimodal campaign. The core concept is synergy. It's the idea that 1 plus 1 can equal 3. A close-up photo of a bee covered in pollen is emotional. The text, "1/3 of every bite you take is thanks to them," is informative. But when you combine them with the quiet hum of a bee, the impact is multiplied. That's synergy. But who are you trying to reach? A successful campaign never talks to everyone. It targets a specific person. Creators invent a user persona, like Sam, a 14-year-old who loves gaming but is secretly worried about climate change. If you can design your message to persuade Sam, you can persuade thousands just like him. You're not shouting into a void. You're starting a conversation. And every good conversation needs a point. A campaign without a call to action, or CTA, is just art. The CTA provides a clear instruction. Sign the petition now. Share this story. Learn more at our website. It's the crucial bridge that turns a passive viewer into an active participant. Of course, this power comes with a serious ethical choice. Are you using logic and emotion to influence, to advocate for a truth? Or are you using fear and deception to manipulate? An ethical campaign is transparent and respects its audience's intelligence. Ultimately, these are the tools used to shape our world. The grammar of a TikTok video is totally different from a podcast ad, but the goal is the same: to make an impact. Don't just be a passive consumer, be a creator. Use your words, your images, and your voice to build the future you want to see. The world is listening.